Hello friend, we get a question from one daily promote, that is, in what ways does hard work make you feel fulfilled? Here the answer, of course, hard work doesn't always guarantee fulfillment. It's important to choose work that you are passionate about and that aligns with your values. It's also important to have a good work-life balance so that you don't burn out. But in maximum time, hard work beats talent. Here are some specific examples of how hard work can make you feel fulfilled. 1. A student who works hard to study for a test and gets a good grade may feel fulfilled because they know they achieved their goal and demonstrated their knowledge. 2. An athlete who trains hard for a competition and wins may feel fulfilled because they know they put in the effort and dedication to achieve their goal. 3. An artist who works hard on a piece of art and completes it to their satisfaction may feel fulfilled because they know they created something beautiful and meaningful. Overall, hard work can make you feel fulfilled because it allows you to achieve your goals, grow and develop as a person, and connect with others in a meaningful way. Thank you. Have a nice day, white smiling face.